Hey guys, my name is Zarina from Tireless in Art, and as you see today, I decided to share with you how I do my lips, how I draw them. And I have to say that I've been practicing a lot these days, and I wanted to share my method with you. So I will choose an A3 design landscape because I have a lot of space. For this, I use a basic 5 size brush, and let's do it. So first of all, we will start with normal. I would like to start with normal lips, normal. And let's see. So this is the normal face view. And we will make this small dent from the lips. Then we will choose the 2 points where the lips will finish. And then we will just add them together. You cannot make you cannot or you should not use a normal straight line because we will leave some pauses in order to make it look more organic. Then we will go to the normal part of the lip and go like this. And that's it. This is an amazing and easy way to draw lips. I will make it a little bit bigger. We can make, small modifications like erase this a little. Okay, and I really like to emphasize here a little like this part of the lips. For me, it's like it tells me that it has volume. And when it comes to coloring it, I use this type of airbrush soft. And first of all, you should start with a lighter color. We can do this. And the most important thing is this part, the upper part of the lip, it's a little lighter. And then this part, it's a little darker. And here it's the other way around. So this part will be a little darker and... Okay, so this is the brush. Then I will change to the darker color. Then I will add it here. You can select, from the size how much you want to be. And then we will have like this. And in order to make it more realistic, I will go back to my brush, initial brush, basic 5, change the color to white and make small white points to give the impression that it's light. It's highlighting this area. So this is how I draw my normal lips. It's very, very nice that in time you will see where you need to add the highlights yourself, and it will be easier. Now we will try the 3/4 view. But here eye doesn't touch, so eyes are not on the face line. So that means that you have this blah blah blah, but the eye is here. Okay, it's not here. This is the situation when we will use the next type of lips. So we will start by making again the small middle section, and because the face is like this, we will not draw it like here. So we will not draw it like here. We will draw it like half of this distance. So somewhere here, and then the other side it's normal. And we will do the same. Connect this part to this part. This, and now here we will have an angle. See, we just make like this, and here it's normal, and then here it's a little angle, and then it's normal. And we can do this also. if you want, like I like to have some volume, make it bigger, and let's try to color it. Let's, I don't know, choose the color, change the color a little. We'll go to airbrush soft. What I recommend, it's better for you to work in 2 different layers when you do this, because in case you just want to change the lips color, you can just, add new layer, add layer underneath this, and then you can just change color if you want to change it. And now we will just color it. Tum, tum, tum. In this situation, I like to choose the darker color, and put it a little here, this side, also here. I think in the end, this is something that you will learn in time when you are practicing it. Now we will go for the highlights. I like to put my highlight where I am in the mood to add them. So I think the most important thing is to remember to make this more organic looking. And now we will go to the part where the view where the eyes are touching. Here it should be line, touching the face line. So, yeah, that means that when we add this, here it's the other eye. And in this situation, see here, the eye, it's drawn like this, so we have an angle. And this is the same angle that I like to use on my lips. So we will start like the usual way, middle. And now this, it's not like, it's a little less, so we will add it around here, I guess. And then in this side, it's normal way. Now we just connect. And the most important thing to remember is when we add this, we should do this. We have this angle. This angle should be more direct than here, than in this part. So it should be more straight angle. This is the normal lip, and this is it. I like to do here the same. And now we can just color it. The next step I would like to show you is how exactly I do the lips open, which is amazing. It was a very nice technique that I saw and I loved it. So I am actually using it a lot. I will leave the person that I'm following and from where I learned all these techniques in my description. You can also check it out because it's an amazing creator. And yeah, I will now take my normal small brush and let's make some highlights. Okay, and now I would like to, let's draw the open lips. So we will choose again black. And now we will take the middle part. And in order to make it open, we will check here it's the mid, here it's the other side, and we will connect these two. And from here we will go like this. This is normal, and like this. I want to erase a little because I think here it's not correct. take my brush again. Let's make it okay. Okay, this looks a little fuzzy, but yeah, I didn't practice this one so much because I've been practicing the other ones, but that's okay. This is very, very nice. I love this type of lips. And now we will just color it. Let's try some orange now. Okay, and then let's try a little less, a darker orange to do this part. And I also like to add a little shadow here, almost unseeable, but to understand that the lips are basically over the teeth, and you create that shadow effect. And now we just take again our small brush and add highlights. Yes, these are my favorite type of lips. I have to admit, I love them. And in order to look more clear and more realistic, we should add here the corner of the lips a little black. And this is it. Now it's very, very nice logic, so we can just apply it to the next parts. As you can see here, we will make this type of view where the eyes are not on the face line. Yes, not line, not fine line. Probably because I get emotions, I get excited, I just write things wrong. And now we will start with the usual middle part. As we learned before here, we will have halfway. Yes. Here we will have normal. We will put these lines together. And then just, I don't know why I'm having this issue. Sometimes Krita has this. Okay. And like this. And now we will have this. And now we will have the angle. I think we should make it here a little shorter. Yeah, because I made it almost normal, so let's see. Yeah, basically it's very, very important to understand the first logic and then just do it accordingly to that. Okay. And now this is a little like this. And this should be a little like this. Okay. Yeah, I'm spending a lot of time on this because I would like to be perfect, and yeah, I think this is so much better. And now I will take again the airbrush soft. We will go again with some orange. I don't know why, but I tend to like orange today. I love this type of lipsticks, but because I'm very very brunette, they don't suit me so much, so I can use them here, I guess. And now we can take the next shade to make it here where it's, black. And here you can also add a little shade if you want. I like to do that. And now let's just add the highlights. And now the last part. We will start again, middle. Here it will be very close. See that this part of the dark will be closer. And here this angle is exactly like I explained before. It's a more direct angle. And here it's also a different angle. Yeah. If you want to make it a little bigger, we can just select this, make it like this, and yeah. Okay. And now we just color it. Now let's go for a blue or green. Yeah, let's go with green. Feeling eccentric today. Green. I want to go to the other layer just. Okay, now we can also add a little shade here. And this is I've been trying to do this tutorial for a lot of time. I did another one related to lips, but exactly when I wanted to film the Krita version, my pen ran out of battery because I use it all day and I always forget to charge it. So yeah, that was very bad, and I had to reschedule it and do it today. But hey, it's never late. Highlights, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this is useful, and if you need something else, you can write me in the comment. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget to like it or subscribe, whatever. Thank you. Bye.